To remove the lid, the control assembly will need to be slid back first. Remove the 2 1/4-inch hex head screws, one on each side, located at the rear corners of the control assembly. The screws are 2 inches long, so they will not fall out when loosened. Slide the control panel back so that it clears the molded-in hinge covers on the lid assembly. Open the lid and remove 4 Phillips head screws, 2 on each side, that secure the lid to the lid lever arms. Once the screws are removed, grasp the lid on each side and slide up. Then set the lid aside. Remove both lid lever assemblies. They are the same, so they cannot be mixed up. Next, slide the control panel back to access the hinge mounting screws. There are 2 1/4-inch hex head screws. The hinge assembly can be removed without removing the top cover. Grasp the hinge assembly from under the top cover. Remove the 2 1/4-inch hex head screws, and then slide the hinge from under the top cover.